How to edit blur photo to HD. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can edit a blur photo into an HD photo in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this, here's what you're going to do. You're simply going to come to a website called www.avide.com. Now, once you come to this website, what you can do is you can use different features that Avide brings you, but obviously we're here to use its image upscaler. So to go to its image upscaler, you're going to come here and write image dash upscaler. And once you write that, you're going to click on search and it's going to bring you here. So AI image upscaling, it gives you the best image upscaling out there. And trust me, it works like a charm. It's going to upscale any image that you have. So let's say I have this image over here that's pretty low quality and I want to go ahead and upscale it, a notch. I want to make it pretty HD. So I'm going to add it here, and as you can see, it takes its sweet time to process. It says your image has been upscaled, and we're simply rendering the quality. And look at this. On the left-hand side, it looks pretty choppy, and it looks pretty off. But on the right-hand side, the quality is absolutely top-notch, and it's pretty incredible. So once you do this, you're simply going to click on Save. And once you click on Save, look at this. So here we have our upscaled photo. Pretty incredible, right? So that is how you can edit any blur photo into HD. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.